Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Factorisation Uses Worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we have 9 examples and we can see how factorisation can be used to help us simplify algebraic fractions. Now if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide there is a link. If you click on that link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. So let's see what we're required to do here. Simplify each of the following algebraic fractions by using factorisation. For number 1, we have this algebraic fraction. We look at the numerator and we search for a HCF. That will enable us to factorise the numerator. After we've done that, whatever number is outside of the grouping symbols or brackets, that'll be the HCF. We do some cancelling with the denominator and that helps us to simplify that algebraic fraction. And it's exactly the same for the first 3. For number 4, this is a very special algebraic expression. And we've had many examples in previous videos how to rewrite this another way which enables us to factorise it. And then we go ahead and do our necessary cancelling and that simplifies that algebraic fraction. For this one here, it's actually similar to number 4 except we try and find a HCF first for the numerator. Then we factorise what's left, then we do some cancelling, and that will simplify the algebraic fraction. Now the last 4, which are these here, they are very simple and straightforward because up the top here, in each example you have a trinomial. Now we've had examples of how to factorise trinomials. We've seen that in previous videos. Very briefly, you find 2 numbers multiplied together to give you 20, added together to give you 9, write down the factorisation and then do the necessary cancellation. And it's exactly the same for the last 3. So this video has given us some examples where we can practice simplifying algebraic fractions using factorisation. And if you need any help, just click on the link on the next slide and that will show you how to do all of the examples.